So now chapter 3, large numbers, number and numeral. We may express numbers in figures as well as in words. The group of figures representing a number is called the numeral for that number. Now 5-digit and 6-digit numbers. In class 3 we have studied up to 4-digit numbers. We know that the smallest 4-digit number is 1 and 30. The largest 4-digit number is 4 times 9. The number 1 more than this number is 1 and 40. And how we can read it? We read this one as 10,000. The smallest number of 5 digit is 1 and 40. And thus in the place value chart, the 5th place from right is called the 10,000 place. So ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So we have larger numbers as given below. So these are numeral, and how we can read it? Okay. So see here. This is 1 and 40. This is 10,000. Then 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 10,001. Then 1, 0, 0, 0, 2, 10,002. So like this. Then this number 10,010. This is 10,099. This is 10,100. This is 10,900. This is 10,999. This is 11,000, 11,001. This is 99,000, and this is 99,999. So brain booster, large numbers, focusing on understanding place value, reading and writing numbers up to millions and billions. The Indian number system, ones, thousands, lakh, crores, and international number system, ones, thousand, million are introduced. So see the next here, the largest 5-digit number is 5 times 9, and the number 1 more than this is 1 and 5 zeros. And how we can read it? This is as 1 lakh, and the smallest 6-digit number is 1 and 50. So thus in the place value chart, the 6th place from the right is the lakh place. Proceeding as in the above table, we start from 1 lakh and reach up to this number. The largest 6-digit number is 6 times 9. And if we take 1 more than this number, we get this 1 and 60. And how we can read it? This is as 10 lakh. So the smallest 7-digit number is 1 and 60. The 7th place in a number is called the 10 lakh place. And the greatest 7-digit number is here 7 times 9. Okay. Now brain booster, to write large numbers in Indian number system, put commas to separate the periods of ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. So first we are talking about Indian number system. The number system that we have learnt above is the Indian number system. It is also called the Hindu-Arabic system of numeration. In this system, we have the place value chart as shown below: ones, thousands, lakh. So under ones we have ones, tens and hundreds. Then under thousand we have thousand, 10,000, and under lakh we have lakh and 10 lakh. Okay, so this is the short form: OTH, thousand, TH, TH, 10,000, L, lakh, and TL, 10 lakh. Right? The 7 places have been grouped into 3 periods or bunches. The first one, the first 3 places make the ones period, okay, and the next 2 places make thousand period, and next 2 make lakh period. Now we are talking about international number system. This system is followed by a large number of countries, especially the Western countries in the world. In this system we write 1 lakh equals to 100,000 and 10 lakh equals to 1 million. So thus we have periods of ones, thousands and millions. Now fun facts: To separate a number into periods in Indian number system, start from the extreme right of the number and put commas after third, fifth and seventh digits. Crore, lakh, thousand, ones. Okay. Now the next is international place value chart. Here periods, places. See here ones, thousands and millions. So ones under we have ones, tens, hundred. Under thousands we have thousand, 10,000, 100,000, and under millions we have millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. And so what is the short form? Ones O, tens T, hundreds H, thousand TH, 10,000 TTH, 100,000 HTH, million M, 10 million TM and 100 million HM. Now reading and writing numeral. Now reading and writing a numeral. While reading a numeral, all the digits in the same period are read together and the name of the period except the ones is read along with it. While writing a numeral, we separate the periods using commas. So study these examples. So here brain booster, Indian system 10 lakh is equal to 1 and 6 zeros. Crore, 1 crore is equal to 1 and 7 zero. International system 1 million is equal to 1 and 6 zeros, 1,000 thousand. And billions, 1 billion is equal to 1 and 33639 zeros. Okay. Now see the examples here. Example 1, write each of the following numerals in the Indian system by separating the periods using commas. The first one, this number, this is 5-digit number. So first make the place value chart. Ones, thousands, lakh. So here ones, tens, 100, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Now write the digit. So what we are getting? We are getting 13,645. 13,645. Okay. Here we have to just write the commas. Okay. Now this one 39087. So 39,087. Now this number C part 1 2 3 4 5 6 digits. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is under lakh. So 1,05,674. So like this you can try. Now the second one example. Now example 2, write the number name for each of the following numerals in Indian system. A part, like here this one 30207. So first you will arrange according to place value chart. So what will you get? You will get 30,000, 207. Like here E part, here just separate it. So ones, tens, 100, thousand, 10,000, then comma, lakh, 10 lakh. So 14 lakh, 1,000 nothing, 100 nothing, 14 lakh 8. Similarly this ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 18 lakh, 36,054. So like this we can do it. Now here the third, write the number names of the following numerals in the international system, like A part. So what to do first? Make the place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Now write the digits. So what we are getting? We are getting 471,685. Now B part, write the digits. So what we are getting? We are getting 2,304,019. Okay. Now the next, what we are getting? We are getting 36,1,00,000. 149,708. So I hope this is clear to you. Now come to exercise 3.1. The first, arrange the following numerals in Indian place value chart and then rewrite them with commas at the right places. So like C part, so here ones, tens, hundred, comma, so 80,000 3. Okay. Similarly, ones, tens, hundred, comma, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So like this you can do. The second, write the following numerals in words in the Indian system. So like this, ones, tens, hundred, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh. So 30 lakh, 33,000, 100 0, so 30. So I hope this is clear to you. Okay, now third one, express the following numbers written in the Indian system in figures, placing the commas at the right places. So you can try this one. Now here the fourth, write in figures as well as in words. Like B part, the largest number of 5 digits. So what will you write? 5 times 9. So what is this number? 99,999. F part, the largest number of 7 digits. So 7 times 9. So 99,999,999. So you can try remaining parts. Now the fifth, rewrite the following numerals with proper commas using international place value chart. Like C part, so we know ones, tens, hundred, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 and then million. So 1,679,102. Similarly, we can try remaining parts. Similarly, sixth question, write the number names in the international system. Like C part, so here ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000 and million. 1,400,317. Similarly, you can try seventh question. Now come to next, short and expanded forms. The sum of all the place values of the digits of a number is called its standard or short form. See example, write the short form of this number. This is 8 into this number plus 5 into 10,000 plus 1 into 1,000 plus 1 into 100 plus 9 into 10 plus 6. So how we can write it? We can write it like this. So ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. So 8 is at lakh. So 851,196. This is the short form. Now next example, write this number in expanded form. So what to do? First, write the place value chart like this. Ones, tens. First write the number 436,345. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. So 4 and how many zeros? 5 zeros. Plus 3 and 4 zeros. Okay. Then 6 into 1,000. Then 3 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 5 into 1. Now add all these. So this is the expanded form. Okay, I hope this is clear to you, very easy. Now exercise 3.2, question number 1. Look at each number and write whether it is according to the Indian number system or international number system. Then write its number name. So here you can see this is according to international because 3 digits grouping. So this is international system. And what is the number name? 577,900. B part, this is what? This is Indian. 3,34,543. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. The second, show the following numbers on both Indian and international place value tables. You can try this one. And third, write the place value of the circle digits in words and figures in both Indian and international place value system. See here B part. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. So 9 lakh. So write in words 9 lakh. And according to international place value chart, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. So this is the value. So you will write 900,000. Okay. So I hope this is clear to you. Similarly, you can try rest part. Now the fourth, write the following numerals using commas according to the Indian place value system. So these are now in international place value system. So write it according to Indian system. So what to do? 6, 57, okay. So similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now the fifth, write the following numerals using commas according to the international place value system, means make the group of 3 digits. So this one like B part. So 400 as it is, then 231. So 231,400. Similarly, you can try rest part. Now write the place value of 6 in the following numbers in both system of place value. You can do it. And the seventh, write the expanded form of these numbers like B part. So how to write? So ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. So 1 lakh plus 20,000 plus 0 plus 700 plus 70 plus 6. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now come to next, comparison of numbers. We have already learned the method of finding the greater of the two given numbers up to digit numbers. Like we follow the same rules for large numbers, like rule 1. If two numbers with different number of digits, then the number which has more digit is always greater. Like if 4 digit number, like if 4 digit number and 3 digit number given, so this is greater. Now rule 2, suppose we have to compare two numbers with the same number of digits. So first, step 1, first compare the digit at the leftmost place in both the numbers. Then step 2, if they are equal in value, compare the second digit from the left in both the numbers. Then step 3, if the second digit from the left are equal, then compare the third digit from the left in both the numbers. And step 4, continue until you come across unequal digits at the corresponding places. Now the number with greater such digit is the greater of the two. Now we have some solved examples. Example 1, which is greater? We have 4 digit number and this is 5 digit number. So of course this is greater. Example 2, which is greater, this or this? Both are 5 digit number. So now do comparison of the first digit. So this is 8, this is 7. So of course this is greater. The first number is greater. Now example 3, compare this and this. Both are 6 digit number. So start comparison. You can see same. Next compare karenge, ye bhi same. Next same. Now this is 3, this is 4, this is greater. So second number is greater. Okay. Now come to next here, ascending and descending order. Ascending means increasing order, means smallest to greatest, and descending means decreasing order, means greatest to smallest. See example 4, arrange these numbers in ascending or increasing order. So first see how many digits in each number. Here 3 to 5 and 2 7 digit. This is 6 digit. This is 2 to 4 and 3 7 digit. 2 to 4 3 7 digit. 2 to 4 3, this is 7. So 6 digit number, this is the smallest one. So how we can write? We are writing according to the place value chart: ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Write all the numbers. Now compare. This is the smallest one. Now we have to find the greatest one. So out of these two, one is greater. So you can see this is same, compare lakh digit. So this is the greatest one. Okay, so we have to write in ascending order. So first write the smallest number, then which one is out of these two, which one is greater? Same, 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 same. This is greater. So write first this number. Okay, so first, then second, then third, then 4, and then 5. This is smallest. Okay, so this is the sequence. Now we can write the number. Okay, so this is the order. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Very interesting. Now formation of greatest and smallest numbers. We can form greatest and smallest numbers with different digits. See example, form the largest smallest number from the largest and smallest number with the digits 2, 5, 7, 6 and 3. तो जब हमें स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर बनाना है तो हम क्या करेंगे? राइट द डिजिट्स इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. सो सबसे छोटा डिजिट 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. This is the smallest number. And when we have to make the greatest number, then write the digits in descending order. तो सबसे बड़ा नंबर 7, then 6, 5, 3, 2. So this is the smallest and this is the largest number, right? Now see example, write the smallest and largest 6-digit number formed by the digits 205170. Now we never start with 0. तो smallest number में सबसे पहले हम digit लेंगे 1 and now 20, place the 20, then 257. Now largest number 75210. So brain booster, the smallest number is not this, as it is actually 1257, which is a 4-digit number. So we never start with 0. Now successor and predecessor. Successor, you know, the number which is one more than the given number or next number, we can say. The successor of a number is the number that comes just after it. It is obtained by adding 1 to the number. Like the successor of this number plus 1 kar denge, this is the answer. The successor of this number plus 1 kar denge, this is the answer. And the predecessor means that comes just before it. And how we can find it out? It is obtained by subtracting 1 from the number. The predecessor of this number minus 1, this is the answer. The predecessor of this number minus 1, this is the answer, right? Now skip counting in 10,000 and lakh. When we skip count in 10,000, the digit at the 10,000 place change. The rest of the digits remain unchanged. See here, this is 1,12,000. So 1,22,000, 1,32,000, 1,42,000. And when we skip count in lakhs, we only change the lakh digit. The rest digit remain unchanged. Like here, 1,37,835. Now 2,37,835. Same. 3 lakh, 4 lakh. So like this. So I hope this is clear to you. Now come to exercise 3.3, question number 1. Insert greater than, less than or equal to. So like B part here, see this is 6-digit number. This is also 6-digit number. Now compare this lakh digit. So this is greater. Now come to F part. This is 6-digit. This is also 6-digit. Now compare lakh digit, same. Compare 10,000, same. Compare 1,000. This is 8. This is 9. So this is greater. Now the last one here, 5-digit, 5-digit. This is 8. This is 2. So this is greater. The second, write the predecessor, means the previous number. So minus 1 kar denge. Like E part. So what will you get? You will get this number. Okay. Similarly, third, write the successor, means plus 1, like B part. So plus 1, what will you get? Change the ones digit. increase by 1. Okay, similarly you can try fourth and fifth question, ascending and descending order. Now the sixth one, write the A part, the sixth one, write the greatest 6-digit number formed by 569037. So start with the greatest digit. So 9, then 7, then 6, then 5, then 3, 0. So this is the number. Okay, like C part, smallest 6-digit number formed by 872619. So 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the number. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now the seventh, observe the pattern and fill in the blanks. Like A part, here you can see which digit is changing. Here all the digits same except this 1000 digit. This is 2, now this is 3. So here 24250, 25250. We are changing 1000 digit. Okay. So I hope this is clear to you. Like C part here, this is 35950, 45950. 10,000 digit is changing. So this is 55950. So skip by 10,000, 65950, 75950, like this. Okay. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now next we are talking about rounding of numbers. In some situations, we need only a rough estimate of a number. Instead of stating the exact number, we put forth a number which is the nearest multiple of 10 or 100 or 1000, etc. This is known as rounding of the number to the nearest tens or hundreds or thousands, etc. as the case may be. So rounding means a rough idea, approximation. So let us revise what we have learnt in class 3. A part, in 84, ones digit is 4, which is less than 5. So we replace the ones digit by 0 to get the rounded off number to the nearest tens. Answer is 8080. B part, in 456, ones digit is 6, which is greater than 5. So we replace ones digit by 0 and increase the tens digit by 1. So we are getting the number nearest tens, that is 460. Now C part, in 1945, ones digit is 5. So we replace ones digit by 0 and increase the tens digit by 1 to get the rounded off number to the nearest tens, that is 1950. Okay. Now D part, in 249, the tens digit is 4, which is less than 5. So we replace each of tens and ones digit by 0 and keep the 100 digit as it is to round off the given number to the nearest 100. So answer is 200. E part, in 4374, the tens digit is 7, which is more than 5. So we replace 100 digit. So we replace first tens and ones digit by 0 and increase the 100 digit by 1 to round off the given number to the nearest 100. Answer is 4400. Now rounding of a number to the nearest thousands. So for rounding of a number to the nearest thousand, we follow the working rules given below. So here rule 1, examine the digit at 100 place. Rule 2, if the digit at 100 place is less than 5, then replace each one of the digit at 100, tens and ones by 0 and keep all the other digits as they are. And rule 3, if the digit at the 100 place is 5 or more than 5, then increase the digit at 1000 place by 1 and replace each one of the digit at 100, tens and ones by 0. See example, round off each of the following numbers to the nearest thousands. A part, 6389. So see the 100 digit, which is 3, which is less than 5. So answer is 6000. There is no change in 1000 digit. Now B part, here 100 digit is 8, which is more than 5. So change 1000 digit, increase it by 1 and the rest digit 0. So answer is 13,000. Now the next 27,510, this is 5 equal to 5. So change the 1000 digit, increase it by 1. It becomes 8 and rest 0, 28,000 is the answer. Now exercise 3.4, the first round off each of the number to the nearest tens. So we have to see the ones digit. This is 3 here, no change. Answer is 270. Now F part, see this, ones digit 2, no change. So 37450. Okay, so like this you can try remaining parts. The second round of each number to the nearest 100, like here this is 931. See the tens digit, which is 3 less than 5. So 009, no change in 100 digit. Okay, now see G part, here 15,481. See the tens digit, which is 8 more than 5 है, तो change कर देंगे 100 digit को, increase by 1. So this is the value. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now third question, round of the numbers to the nearest thousands. So we have to see the 100 digit. See here, C part, 8,763. 7 is more than 5. So this becomes 9,000. Okay. So like G part, this is 0 less than 5. So no change. This is the answer. So similarly, you can try remaining question. Now we are talking about face value and the place value. Face value of a digit in a numeral. The face value of a digit in a numeral is the value of the digit itself, whatever place it may be. See, in this numeral, the face value of 2 is 2. The face value of 7 is 7. The face value of 4 is 4. Okay. Now, see the fun facts. The place value of a digit depends on its place in the number, while the face value of a digit is the value of the digit itself. So what is the place value? Face value multiplied by value of the place. Now face value or local value of a digit in a numeral. Place value of a digit, face value multiplied by value of the place. Face value of 0 is always 0 wherever it may be. Example 1. Find the place value of each of the digits in this number. So first write according to the system, like ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So we can see 6 at ones, so 6 into 1, 6. 4 at tens, 4 tens, 4 into 10, 40. 7 at 100, 7 hundreds, 7 into 100, 700. 9 at 1000, 9,000, 9 and 3 0. 3 at 10,000, 3 and 4 0. Then 2 at lakh, 2 and 5 0. And then 1 at 10 lakh, 1 and 6 0. So these are the place value. Now exercise 3.5, question number 1. Find the place value of the underlined digits in each of the following numerals, like C part, 46,307. So 4 and 4 zeros, 40,000. Okay. Now G part, 5 at ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. So 5 and 5 zeros, 5 lakh. Okay. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now second one, find the place value of each of the digit in the following numerals. You can try this one. The third, find the difference between the place value and face value of 6 in this number. So what is the place value? That is 60,000. And what is the face value? That is 6. तो दोनों को minus कर देंगे. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now come to next, take the Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now this is multiple choice question. Take the correct answer. The first, the number of zeros in 10,000 is how many zeros? 4. The number of places in one period is how many places? 3. Ones, tens and 100. Third, how many times the place value of each digit increases on moving to the left? That is 10 times, right? So similarly, you can try fourth and fifth question. Now we have one math lab activity with the help of abacus. You can try this one, very interesting. Now enhance your learning, some points given here, and we have value based question and HOTS. So you can try these one. I hope the concept is very much clear to you.